प्लाज्मा थेरेपी क्या है, प्लाज्मा क्या है, और कोविड-19 की वैक्सीन लगवाने के बाद क्या मैं प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने जा सकता हूं? ऐसे कई सवाल हैं जो हमारे सामने खड़े हैं और इन सवालों का जवाब आज हमारे दो एक्सपर्ट देने वाले हैं। आई एम जॉइंड बाय डॉक्टर यतिन मेहता, चेयरमैन मेदांता इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ क्रिटिकल केयर, एंड डॉक्टर नीता रमेश, प्रोफेसर एंड हेड मेडिकल ऑन्कोलॉजी, सविता मेडिकल कॉलेज, चेन्नई। सबसे पहला सवाल, प्लाज्मा क्या है?
See, your blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells, platelets, which are the cells flowing in the blood, and they obviously flow in a liquid form. So once you take the cellular content out, the liquid which is left is plasma. And the content which is important in this particular situation is convalescent plasma. That means you should have recovered from the disease, and when you get any disease, bacterial or viral, you get antibodies. Your body produces as a protective mechanism antibodies to fight against the infection. So convalescent plasma would contain the hypothesis those antibodies.
लेकिन प्लाज्मा थेरेपी इसमें होता क्या है? What is plasma therapy?
See, what is plasma therapy? See, like the question you asked, when a person gets infected with the COVID virus, in our body immunity produces antibodies against the virus. And these antibodies starts developing after 2 weeks after the infection. And like how after the virus, after you give the vaccine, same. 2 weeks after that, and the antibody is there, which gives you protection, maybe 3 months. That's what we saw because we don't have long-term data.
Now comes FAQs. वैक्सीन लगवाने के बाद क्या मैं प्लाज्मा डोनेट करने जा सकता हूं?
Yes, they can. Generally 14 days after the second shot.
Now, there was another query. Somebody pointed out that, in some requests, there's a specific blood group required. And in few cases, they say any blood group would do. How does that work?
See, there's some blood groups in which normally blood group matching is really not that required, although they do cross matching. So to see any incompatibility, but generally they prefer a blood group from the specific ones. Like if the patient is a AB positive, they prefer either A or a B. If the O positive can take donor from anyone, so they are specific this thing which they prefer. But otherwise, absolute matching does not have to be there, but they do cross matching.
Okay. Can diabetics on insulin donate plasma?
No, diabetics who are on oral hypoglycemics can donate plasma. Diabetics on insulin cannot donate plasma.
Okay. How many times can one donate the plasma?
You can donate it, but there has to be a gap of at least 4 to 6 weeks before the second donation.
You said, there should be subsequent amount of antibodies in the donor's body. But do we measure it? Or, if one goes to the hospital,
they're not measuring. No, in India, we are not measuring.
So the quality of it, amount of it is not...
So really not that.
अब सबसे अहम सवाल जिस पर कई डॉक्टर्स डिबेट कर रहे हैं, करते आए हैं, कि क्या थेरेपी काम कर रही है? बिकॉज पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत ज्यादा है, लोग इसके पीछे भाग बहुत ज्यादा रहे हैं, बट डज इट रियली वर्क?
Yes, when we started with COVID pandemic last year, remember at this time, there was a big hype about plasma therapy. I know a couple of doctors given after recovering for COVID, the donation. I'm familiar with this plasma donation because in oncology, we do single donor platelets. So we put them up onto the pheresis machine, and I know the bag, and it's a little expensive, and even plasma donation itself is also expensive. The bag is expensive, minimum 9,000 to 10,000 rupees it costs, whether you do the procedure free or not. Person donates. So that's how I know a little more knowledge about it. But then over a period of time, lot of trials in Chennai also we had many, but it really did not work out. Even the antibody in somebody's plasma was not able to decrease the severity of infection in whom we are going to donate, neither decrease the number of days of admission in the hospital, does not help him to take him out of the ventilator, neither decrease the death percentage. So it did not help in any of the ways.
So sadly बहुत अच्छे रिजल्ट्स तो नहीं दिख रहे ऑफ प्लाज्मा थेरेपी, लेकिन लोग इसे एज अ लास्ट रिजॉर्ट जो है उसकी तरह देख रहे हैं, एंड देन दे गो फॉर इट जस्ट फॉर दैट वन लास्ट ट्राई. बट और भी कई एक्सपर्ट्स का मानना है कि बीमारी की इनिशियल स्टेज में ये फिर भी मदद कर सकती है, बट नॉट इन द लेटर स्टेज. इसी के साथ ही वीडियो होती है खत्म. मेरा नाम है अरुण सिंह. इट्स अ गुड बाय फ्रॉम माय साइड.